Hi, finally welcome to Design Stics Tutorials. Look, we're here now and we're going to be doing tutorials every single day to help you and your business kickstart and get good, helpful tips about your website, Photoshop design, InDesign, Illustrator logo design, how to brand properly. Look, we're looking to cover all these different areas on quick, helpful tips. That is our main focus on this. We don't want to be doing a step-by-step how to be a best Photoshop person to the worst Photoshop person. We want to give you helpful tips in all the above, so you, as a business owner or as an entrepreneur or somebody who's just starting out, can get a wee helpful tips to help better your business and maybe help better your customers. And that's what we want to try and achieve. We want to try and achieve great satisfaction with our viewers and get you guys involved and get you commenting below on what you think is the best way to help certain people who maybe are struggling with their business at the minute or struggling running Facebook ads, struggling with social media. We have it all. So first and foremost, we want to take a look at Trustpilot and how that can be integrated into your website. If you have a WordPress website, which probably most of you do, integrating Trustpilot is really simple, and we're going to take a look at that now.
So first and foremost, we want to go to our website, go to our plugins here. For example, go to add new. Alrighty, what you want to do now is type in here Trustpilot. Alrighty, so it's Trustpilot reviews, as in all one word, Trustpilot. So click in install now and click activate. Alrighty, so what we want to do now is go down to our Trustpilot plugin. You'll see it here. Once you've clicked that, it'll ask you for your email and your password. So we want to add that in, and I'm going to add that in now. Alrighty, so we want to log in here. Once you've logged in, you'll come to this section here. It says your business unit. Click accept and click confirm. And that, folks, is it. All you need to know is turn on product review invitations. So you want to toggle that on. You can also invite any past customers you might have and add the review widget to your website, which we're going to do now. So if I click start here, okay, so it'll tell you can add the widget and whatever it does way A, B, and C. So what we want to do now is click and drag our micro review count, our review collector, our carousel. You can see here you can upgrade to these. Now, the Trustpilot is not cheap. If I click upgrade here, you'll see that it takes us to £199 per month, which is quite dear, really. Once you've got these two here, you've got your micro review counter and you've got your review counter. So if I want, for example, I've already added the review counter collector in here. If I click and drag it, it'll move it just above here. And then we want to add our other one, be the first to review us. So if I click this on the website, it'll take us to Trustpilot. If I click this, it'll take us to Trustpilot, and that's going to allow us to do get reviews, and once they're reviewed, it'll appear here as one review given, and so on and so forth. And you can also click this, it'll also have that review tab too. So this will be the counter and this will be the collector. So one here for collecting. And you can also click here as well and it'll take you through to be a review. But once you get reviewed reviews, you'll see them in here. Once you're happy and the way it looks on the website, just simply click publish changes. And that, folks, is how you add Trustpilot to your website. If I go down here, you've got reviews on Trustpilot and you get the first be the first to review. So whenever someone reviews, it'll appear here, and you can also click this and it'll add your experience.
So there you have it, folks. It's really easy to integrate Trustpilot into WordPress. Now, integrating it into any other website is virtually the same, only you're using a code that Trustpilot will provide you to copy and paste into your header or your body text. Now, if you are stuck on this and you need some help, you need some technical expertise, drop us an email on the details below in the description, and if there's anything we can help with, feel free to ask, feel free to drop an email over. We are more than happy to help. There's no costs involved, there's no fees involved. We just want to help you, our customers, have a better and more successful business. Thanks.